Make a great choice today with the 2018 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, rear floor mats, trip odometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.